Alrighty guys, we're gonna break down the combination for the first 5 patterns in the bachata. So let's go ahead and do that. We're gonna start with our side basic. 2, 3, tap, 1, 2, forward and back. 1, 2, 3, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, stationary. So we're repeating the first part, and then we're gonna go right into an underarm turn right, and then right into an underarm turn left. If it's too uncomfortable to do those turns back to back, you can obviously break them up like we did in the original video, which would be right into an underarm turn right. We would finish the side basic, then do half of a side basic, and then you do your left. We're just trying to make it a little more interesting and give you another option if you didn't want to do that, okay? Let's do that with timing from the other side, and then we'll demo it with music. But we're gonna cut out the middleman, so we're gonna go right and left, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so some tips for the transitions there. So at the end of the stationary basic, you can see Chris separated at the very end to give me a preparation that I'm gonna turn. Because we can dance a little bit closer if you'd like on the stationary to make it more intimate, on the last 2 counts, he separates and he starts to lift my hand to prep for the turn. So as we do the right turn, he keeps the hand raised and he doesn't hold on to me yet like we would normally. And then he just sends me in the other direction, and then he can collect me at the end. So those are the 2 kind of different things in the transitions that you could practice with your partner if you do this combo, okay? Now we're gonna demo that with music.